These are for the This also has integrated speakers, but they're just in the back.
Beautiful.
Heavy.
So you know that shark attachment that we had found? Is that the vacuum that goes to it? Should we build another shelf?
I'm good.
Okay, we'll be right back. Everyone, want to pop in real quick? You've made it this far. Just take a quick little second to like the video, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell so that you can be notified when it's awesome content. Okay? That's all. And how much did we pay for 4 shelves?
40 bucks.
So $10 is essentially a shelf,
Pretty much.
which is
These are the Husky Tough shelf. And I think they're like anywhere between 40 to 60
as a resellers, we do not like to pay full price for things that we don't have to. I was the helper. Oh, so we need it.
I'm going to show you this.
Oh yeah.
Two of them, so a set. That's the receiver.
And what exactly is that? And what does it do?
These were the original gaming headphones. Nintendo did some for the Super Nintendo, and they actually worked. You could use them for any type of audio, because all you do is plug in your audio source to this receiver. So all the power stuff is right here, and so you plug in your audio source to this, and it pretty much streams it to the headphones. So it's your wireless gaming headphones. Before gaming online was a thing.
Vintage electric stapler.
Oh, self-explanatory. These are vintage massager. They used to use in barbershops. So you go and get a haircut and shave. And,
Oh, I've seen that on like I Love Lucy.
yeah.
Or something like similar.
Mad Men.
That's where it was. I was like, wait a minute, was it I Love Lucy here?
So you were going to a barbershop and you would get a massage on your shoulders. Happy ending. I'm sure those were repurposed at some point.
You ooze, you lose. You ooze, you lose.
Oh, this is a Kenmore food slicer. This is actually a rare little kitchen appliance. That's what I think I like the most is kitchen appliances. Small kitchen appliances.
Yeah.
Because they're so easy to find. Some people don't really like cleaning them up. Just spray it down, disinfect it, test it. Pretty easy. This is probably the stereo footage to do.
I thought that was at the house.
Oh, you know what these are? These are actually VR headsets. Samsung. These are brand new. Old.
So this box alone, what do you think this box is worth?
I don't know. These are old. These are, yeah. This is for the. These are mine. These are mine. Some more.
Oh yeah, there's 2 boxes of hats at home.
Yeah, I like hats, but I have some pretty cool ones that we're going to be working on.
I was just looking at that one.
For a KD hat.
I remember when Fox was huge.
It is one of my favorite hats.
Say mama.
No, no.
Oh.
This is a Spanish rock band. I got this when I went to see them. There's many hats. Many hats.
That Ellie has cool. Gonna have to feed the assistant soon, otherwise she's gonna Hulk out on everybody.
More cables.
Should have brought her some snacks. I'm gonna pocket, pickpocket you. Nope.
It's over there on the shelf.
Oh, I can see you better.
What do we got here? My favorite. Radio Shack. These are actually worth a decent amount of money, and I got them for $5 a piece at Goodwill, or less. And these are actually
Hey everyone, so that is going to conclude part 2 of this mini series. I hope that you enjoyed it. We definitely did. It was super fun to go through all of our stuff that we may or may not have forgotten was in there. Organization is key to having a well-oiled machine of a business. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so that you are alerted when part 3 comes. Took a little bit longer than we would like for this video to come out, but it's out now, and part 3 will be up soon. Hope y'all have a great time. Bye!